Welcome back guys, thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to do something very easy that anybody can do at home, and I highly recommend you do. It's the most simple task that I've done 1,000 times. It's changing a bulb or any of the bulbs in the compartment on a 2005-2010 Ford Focus Zetec. Again, this is so simple. We're going to start by getting the correct bulb, which we've got from the manufacturer. We're going to go ahead and undo the supporting screw on the bracket here, which is a star bit or a flathead. As you can see on the supporting bracket here, all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver in there, and undo and remove. So I'm sorry you can probably hear the rain guys on the garage, but I'm not willing to do this outside. So we've undone that screw there, put that somewhere safe because you're going to need that. All you're going to need to do is grip the bracket here and tug on the light ever so gently, just till you feel it click out of place. Now be careful not to pull it out too far, because you don't want to pull off the lighting loom. Now, as you can see there, you can see a lighting loom on there. You're just going to get your finger under the supporting clip there and pull backwards ever so gently, trying not to drop the light in the process. Just like that. And then what we've got here, the light comes out. Now you've got this box on here and you've got the 4 clips holding it in place. You're just going to undo those with your fingers or a flathead screwdriver. Just be very careful. And there is our light that needs replacing. Now holding that in place is just a lighting circuit like so. Pop that off. And then you've got a silver clip that all you do is pull that downwards and pop it sideways, like so. And then you're just going to remove that bulb, taking note of the position that the bulb was located. As you can see, we've got the groove at the top, so the new bulb must go in the same way. Now when you do remove the new bulb, take care not to touch the bulb itself with your fingers, because you don't want to get all your grease and everything on the bulb. Now as you can see, we've got a new bulb here, and we're just going to place it in the same way the old one was removed. Then we're going to go ahead and close the supporting clip down and then click it back into place under the little U-clip under there. Then we're just going to go ahead and reattach the lighted circuit back on to the 2 clips. Once you've heard it click, you're done. You now can put the supporting case back on. Protective case. That's just going to click back into place in each corner, like that. And then you're going to go ahead and reinstall it in reverse order. So of course, you're going to put your lighting loom back on. Just a case of pushing it in, clicking it in place, like that. And then you're just going to go and pop your bulb back into place. Now you just need to gently push until you feel the light click into place. And then just give it a gentle tug. Yep, we're back in, and then pop your screw back in. And there we go. They're all working again. Perfect. So that's it guys, it's that easy. Hope you give it a go at home, and I hope this video has helped you. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.